Tucked away on 16 acres in Maine, this contemporary home was designed and built by an architect with a clear connection to its surroundings. Large windows, high ceilings, a sleeping loft, and an open layout fill the three-level home with natural light, while the rolling and lush land creates a peaceful setting away from the road. The property itself offers a beautiful rural backdrop, with numerous apple trees and a small barn adding character to the landscape. Set well back from Underpass Road, the home provides privacy while still giving you plenty of outdoor space to enjoy. The unconventional design makes this property feel distinctly different from a traditional Maine home. On the main level, the kitchen and living spaces come together in an open layout filled with natural light. The staircase rises alongside large windows toward the sleeping loft above, creating a striking visual connection between the levels. High ceilings and expansive windows keep the interior feeling open, while allowing the surrounding landscape to remain part of the experience. The walkout ground level includes the home's bathroom, a sauna area with a covered bathtub, laundry, and access to a 3-season workshop. A section of the home features a grass-covered roof, adding another distinctive architectural detail, while the rooftop deck provides an elevated outdoor space overlooking the surrounding land. Heat pumps provide heating and cooling throughout the home, with a wood stove offering an additional source of warmth. The property also has a private drilled well and septic system. With its 16 acres, apple trees, small barn, unique architecture, natural light, and peaceful setting, this Maine property offers a distinctive alternative to conventional country living. Whether you're looking for a year-round residence or a memorable second home, this retreat provides privacy, character, and plenty of room to enjoy the surrounding landscape.